today. So what we're having for today is a tutorial on how a step-by-step guide on how you can use our signal on in our group. So now we're gonna head back to our signal. Now we have a signal here, which is BDC to buy LSK. So now, what are we gonna? How are we gonna buy or make a trade using this signal? Now, the signal is telling us to buy uh, LSK using Bitcoin. So now, using BDC rather or Bitcoin. So now, it says we can enter or take a buy button or take a buy trade, take a buy price at 7 0.0 like 0.007542 or 7618, and our target to sell and make profit is the first target is 784581, the second target is 8146, the third price is a sell price is 8373, is the fourth is 8750, the fifth is 9051, the last is 9504. Now there's a stop loss here, but because we are using a spot trading, I do not recommend, though I this is what I do personally, but I don't know for you, but we basically give a stop limit in our signals, so that some people like to use it, but I personally use it for when I'm trading futures, in order not to get liquidated more than, or so that I can just get stopped and take a little loss. And so now, but in other words, we have the stop loss, which is 6670. Now, let us see how we can utilize this signal. How do we trade with this signal? Now, the signal said we should use BTC to buy LSK. Now, let us use it. Uh, LSK BTC. LSK BTC. Okay. Now, the price here is, let us click a buy button. Now we are using limit order. Now there is limit order, there is market order, and there is stop limit, and there is the OCO. But we are not going to use those. We are basically going to use this limit order that the signal has given us, and the signal said we should use 7542 or 7618. So what is the price now? 755. So, and the signal said we should use 75. So we can use this current price at this range now, because, or let us use the 7618. So when it gets to 7618, 7618, 7618, 7618. So when it gets to this price, we're going to buy. That is what it means with a limit order. So now this amount here is how much of uh LSK do you want to buy? Is it I basically advise using the percentage. This means that you are using a certain percent, a certain percent in your in your in your wallet or in your BTC account to trade this. That's when you use the 25%, you're using 25% of your entire capital in your BTC wallet to trade. So now I want to use 50%. So now I click on buy. Okay, now I don't have enough BTC here in this very account, so I think I make it clear earlier that I'm gonna do another video when I'm using the same signal to buy. So, but this is because there is a high demand in there's a high demand in us to us about they want to learn how to trade using our signal to trade. So now this is why we're doing this video. So now in the next in the next step, we're gonna learn how to use the sell button or the target where we can make the profit. Now we see how we can buy, and we click on the buy, and we click on the buy, and our trade is it clicks. So now let's go back to how we can sell. Now the signal says let us our target or our selling to make profit. We should sell at a price of 7845 or 8146. Let's say I'm that greedy one and I want to sell my my LSK by at the price of 8373 because I want to make higher profit. So I come here, I click on search and it's already installed here. Then see here LSK and I click on BTC. Instead of me clicking on buy button, now I'll click on the sell button. Now what is the I want to sell? Obviously I want to sell uh all my LSK. When the price gets to 8373, I want to 837 83737. I want to sell all my LSK, but you can see right here, like I don't have any LSK, so the thing is not gonna go. So so now I want to sell all my LSK 873. I want to sell, yeah, 8373 rather, 8373. So now I want to sell all of it, all of it. So I click on the sell button. So I'm gonna do another video showing us how this is done in a more practical form, but it is because of the high demand of how you can use our signal. That is why I'm just doing this uh early tutorial. I don't know if you get a little bit clarity here, but before today ends I'm gonna do another video to show you. So go down to the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button, and we'll be updating each day on how you can make money through cryptocurrency, the blockchain technology. I'll be doing more videos on investing in blockchain. This is